Number. Okay, position. Hawak sa ilong, sir. Hoy, baliktad. Baliktad. Yan. Okay, look straight ahead, ha? Ready, jump. Hoy, laki-lakihan nyo talon, ha? Sayang ano, sayang yung semento, mababasag. Backstroke lang, backstroke. Okay. Number. Okay, position. Baliktad. Yan, tama. Yan. Okay, jump. Very good. Puwersa talaga. Huwag pa talikod. Yun, very good si sir. Ano na. Backstroke lang. O sir ha, hawak sa kwelyo ha. Pag hindi kaya, antayin yung 3 and 4, okay? O sir. Ready to jump. Okay, position. Jump. Very good. Okay, hawak sa kwelyo. Okay, pick up. Very good. Okay, standby. Relax. Number 4. Water is clear. Okay, position. Jump. Okay, very good. Muntik nang umabot ah. Hoy, ano nangyari? Pati tsinelas, sinamay mo dyan? Oh, group 2. Pwesto na. Okay, number 1, disembark. Ah. Number. Okay, position. Number 5 ka na. Puta, nakalimutan mo na number mo. Okay, position. Hawak sa ilong. Okay, jump. Backstroke lang, backstroke. Relax lang kayo, antayin nyo yung ating ano, mag-attend ng ano, ng life prop. Okay, shout, water is clear. Position. Okay, ready, jump. Parang ano yun ah, umatin ng sabong yun ah.
Vertical.
Parang sumasabong yun si sir. Oh. Okay, group 2. Oh, group 2. 7 hanggang ano? 12. Okay, very good. Oh, dala-dalawa to, dala-dalawa. Yung 1 and 2. Ah, dala-dalawa. Partner-partner ha. Oh, sir. Shout. Okay, number. Okay, position. Okay, ready. Jump. Very good. Very good. Up. Number. Chinelas mo nandiyan pa?
Water is clear.
Oh, baliktad, baliktad. Yan. Number.
Ready to jump.
Okay, jump. Masasayang ang tattoo mo pag hindi ka